Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course on this part 130. Laravel 11 product search and filter from database tutorial. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin. Inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11, this is a database name. Inside this is a list of table available, and just click this product card table. This is a product card table. Inside this is a successfully working fine. This is a table. This is my project is available XAMPP folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor. Let's cmd open this directory inside cmd working fine. This is a working fine. This is a directory inside this open command prompt php artisan server and enter. php artisan server successfully working fine. This copy this url and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. Let's slash admin login. Admin login working fine. Let's admin @gmail.com, password 123456789, and click this login. And not now. Not now. Successfully working good. Let's click this product cart. The same name is a table name. This is the same name is a table. This is a product card. Inside this 5 record is available. Inside this 5 record is available. This is a table is a show good working. Let's same here copy and route folder inside this web.php available. Route folder inside this available web.php, and this is a route is a available this. Admin product cart. The same name is available. Admin product cart. The same name is available inside. The product controller inside this function is available. As product controller in this is available. App HTTP controller in this product controller. Successfully this is available product cart controller good working, and inside this is a function is available. This function admin underscore product underscore cart. This is a function is available successfully working fine. Let's admin. This is a admin resource view admin. Inside this is available product and product cart. Product and cart, and this is a list successfully available. Let's this product cart and this list. This is a list available, and this is all available. This add button, and this is a list all name is a show. Please write down. And this model is already available. This product cart model. This is a model inside. This is available product cart model. This is a write down this product cart table is already included. This is a table. Please write down inside this include, and this is available. Let's step by step implementation. Let's search bar start and end search start and end. Let's first of all this step by step implementation. First is this is a 4 div inside this implementation 1 2 3 and 4. Let's close this 4 div. First close, second close, third close, and last is a fourth close. This is a 4 div is a start and this close good working. Let's inside this title. This is a title implementation product cart, and this is a successfully save. Let's refresh this page. Good working. This is available inside this good working. This is a show. This is a name is a show fine. Next is a form is a start. Form is a start and form is a close. Form start. Let's div is a create. This is a div. Otherwise button is a create. Let's button. First of all this is a button is a create. Search button Next is a add tag is a create sref url class btn danger reset and inside this is a url is a implementation same url. This is a admin product cart url is a copy and paste here. Save file. Let's refresh this page. 2 button is a show. Good working. Search and reset button is a successfully available. Good, fine, excellent. This is a working good. Next is a div tag is a create. Inside this is a div tag is a create. Tag name is available row. Row is a create and this is a row is a close this. Inside this is the implementation id. First id is a implementation database id. Please write down. This is a name is available id. This id database name is a this id. Second last name is a implementation. Same here, copy and paste here. Enter name. This is a name and this name. Same, copy and paste here name and this is the name. All good. Let's refresh this page. This is the name. Working fine. First id name is a very long name is available. This is the inside this implementation 4 is a set and refresh this page successfully. This is a big box. This is a small. Next is a this is a price is a implementation. Same here, copy. Price is a very slow. This is a name is a copy and next is a price. This is a table inside this available price, not a description. Less price is a copy and paste and this is a paste. Successfully price is the implementation. Inside this all available id name. This is a price and this is a created and updated date is a implementation. Next is a implementation date. This transaction date means created date is a only simple way is a created and updated date is a implementation. This is a created date is a successfully implementation. Next is the last is a updated date. This is a save file and this is a table is a created and updated. This is a two field is available create and update. This two field is available. Good working. This is a price name is a set this price. Let's save file and refresh this page. Inside this is the implementation. Good. This is a box is a very big box. This is a inside this is a implementation 2 and 2. Save file and refresh this page successfully set. This is a date speaker is available and this is a date speaker is available. This is all good. This is id name. This is a price created it and updated it. All good working. This is a file. The successfully file. This is a search inside step by step. First of all, this is a name is id available. Name is a name available. Name is a price available. Name is a created and last name is a updated. All successfully write down. Same here, open this controller. Inside this is an implementation search filter search start. Same here, end save file. Inside this is an implementation. First of all, this is a if is empty, request already available. The same here, request id and this is the same name is a copy and paste here is equal to paste here again where this table name is available. Table name is a product cart table. Same name is a copy. This is a table name is available product cart. This is a table name is a product cart table dot inside this is available dot and this is a id. First this is a id is a implementation. Next is a id is equal to, and this is a request id is already available. Same here, copy and paste here. First is successfully set, done. Same here, copy and paste here. Next is available name. This is a name is available. Same name is a copy and paste here, name and name. This is a name, all good. And this is a person like query is a set like dot percentage successfully. This is a name is a good working. Next is a same here, copy and paste here. Next is available. This is a price, all good. This is a price is a successfully set. Next is available created and updated date is a implementation. Same here, copy and paste here and paste here. This is a created date. This is a created, same copy and this is a paste here. And this created. Last is a updated date is a available. This is a updated date, all good. Save file. Let's refresh this page. This is a all field is available. This is a product cart. Inside this all field is available. Good working. Please write down. This is a all successfully set. Let's refresh this page. Let's first of all inside this is 1 2 3 4 5 available. Let's 8 implement 8 and source 8 is not available. Inside this not available. Let's 4 number is implement 4 available. Let's search successfully. This is a 4 is available. Let's 3 is a refresh this page, search, and this 3 number is implement successfully. Inside this 3 is a show, good working. This Vivo is just 3 number is available, good working. Let's click this reset. This is all data is a get. Let's next is a copy this name motto and this paste here motto and search successfully. Name is a motto plus search, good working. This is a motto is a search. Let's inside this is any mi search, mi search. Let's mi is available. Let's v this in vip you sell search, and this is not available. This not available, good working. Let's price step by step. Price is a search. Price search. This is price is 890 search, and this is a 90 is not available. This 90 is not available. Let's 30 is implement 30 and search, all working. This 30 price is available, good working. This is a fine. Search cart is a successfully working. Same here, date is a search. Let's date is a search. This is a 7 and 7. This 7 date is a search. This 6 is a not a search. Let's 7 date is a search, 7 and 2 record is a search. 2 record is successfully search. Let's 6 record is 6 date implement, and this is a 3 record is available, and this is available. Let's 5 click this 1 and search, and successfully not available, and this is a record not found, good working. Same here, updated date. Same here, updated. This is working fine. This is a 7 is available. Let's search 7 and search, and this is a working fine, good working. This 7 is a 2 available, good working. Let's next is a inside. This is a record is a search, and this is a search. Inside this record is a not found. Message is a implementation. Let's implementation. Let's implementation. Let's implementation. Inside this is a click this reset, and this is a record is a inside this not available, and this is a record not found implementation. Let's open this file. This open inside this is a record is available. 4s forest name is a remove inside this for less. This is a different name. This is a different. This name is different. This name same here. Cut and paste here. This is a different name is a set. Inside this is a implementation is empty. This is a this remove is empty and end this for less. And is empty inside this is a one implementation record not found. This is a implementation record not found. This is a all good. This forest not a for loop, only forest. Let's search file and this is the implementation. Let's refresh this page. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. anytime is a contact. I am always available. And this is any new development, so please contact this my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Please follow this all social media link. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is the implementation. This is a 6 record is not available, only 5 record. Let's 10 number is implement 10 and this search and this is not available. And this is a new message implementation record not found. This is a working. Wait, this is a number of working. Record not found. This is a message is a working. Fine. This message is a implementation. Let's 4 number is the implementation for. This is a record is available in this show. All good. Same here inside this implementation. This any number is the implementation. Search reset. Click this reset, and this is the implementation. Any number and search, and this is the number name is not available. This is a good record not found. Let's mi search and this is a record is available. This is the message successfully good. This is all field is working. Please you check step by step. This is all working. Good working. Please check you. This is a fine. First of all, this is a route available inside. This is a model. Please write down. This is a all controller this function, and this is a model, and this is a all this file is a implementation. Please write down this file successfully set, and this is a table is a set. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.